Hi, good morning. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 11th. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. I hope you got to do something fun with the mom or the grandma in your life. And I can't wait to hear in Zoom if you gave them your character poem and what they thought of it, or if you did something else special. We'll run our Zoom today kind of like a morning meeting where I want to hear from each of you how your weekend was. So I will see you at 11 o'clock today for that. Today in ELA, you're going to continue reading Loser. You have 2 days to read chapters 13 and 14, so right where we left off. For the digital journal, I want you to write kind of what I just talked about. What did you do for Mother's Day? How did you make the woman who takes care of you or women feel special? Did you do something nice for them? I want to hear about that in your digital journal. Speaking of the digital journal, when I went over all of your assignments last week and I was checking them in and I was so excited, check, wow. The one that seems to be neglected the most is the journal. That shocks me because I know normally we would work on a big writing piece and then you guys would say, oh, we haven't done journals in forever. Can we write in our journals? We never have time to write in our journals. So now I've been giving you the chance at least once a week. You have to go into that digital journal. I need to see a date and I need to see the prompt. So today, like in our learning slides, it tells you a prompt. That means you have to go into your digital journal. For math, we are finally ready to start our next unit. I went over all your Cinco de Mayo math. What I'm going to do with those is I'm going to average them. So do you remember when we talked about report card grades and what it means to average something? I'm going to do that with your whole numbers sheet, your decimal sheet, and your fraction sheet. So I will add up those three numbers together and divide the sum by 3, and it will go into your grade simply as Cinco de Mayo math project. So it'll be an average. For the most part, they were really, really great, and I was proud of you guys, especially the decimals. A lot of you really rocked those decimals. Great job. We are going to start learning about something new in religion, about the sacrament of matrimony. So I did just like I did for chapter 15. I'm trying to keep us in a routine so things look familiar and so you don't have to worry about what you're looking at or where to go. We are doing chapter 16 where you're going to go through the slides and then you stop at those stop and think prompts and you write the answer to the question for what I'm thinking. So just like chapter 15, also, just like chapter 15, it's going to be due on Friday. Mrs. Krause had asked us teachers to really keep the focus on our core subjects. So we are doing math and ELA every day, just like we would in our classroom. And then we are going to be probably taking one big assignment for religion and one big assignment for science and working on that throughout the week at your own pace. Remember, that's the best part about Google is you can open up your religion projects, do maybe 1 slide or 2 slides of the stop and things, and then you can come back to it later in the week when you have some time or on a day that, maybe the math doesn't challenge you as much or the poetry maybe doesn't challenge you. So that's about it for today. Take a peek at that slide and then comment or email me if you need me. I returned a ton of work this weekend, so check your email I put comments on everything or maybe just little notes to you or grades. So check the slides, check your email, and log into Zoom at 11 o'clock. Have a great day.